Good morning. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. I want to start with a winter weather advisory that is in effect for all of our neighborhoods until 7 o'clock tonight. And this is due to this continued snowfall. So be careful out on the roads because it can be impacting your visibility and also some slippery conditions on the road that could be hazardous. So take your time out there. For your dog walking forecast, you're going to be cold out there walking the dog this morning, but it must be done. So bundle yourself up and do what you need to do to keep yourself and your dog warm, as well as as the snow falls and these temperatures are just going to be in the 20s. And then we're going to be seeing winds gusting throughout the day in the 30s for our neighborhood. So it's going to be blasting that cold air on you for today. Here's what we're tracking on our future cast for the 8 o'clock hour. Still seeing snowfall for a lot of our neighborhoods, but some of us are starting to dry out at a few spots like Ionia, Hastings, Hillsdale. We get to 2 o'clock this afternoon. We see another round come in, but it's more isolated just to the Lansing, just kind of straight down this line here. St. John's, Lansing, Eden Rapids, Albion, and then also Williamson, Stockbridge, Grass Lake. But a lot of our spots are starting to dry out, a lot of our neighborhoods. But we get to 4 o'clock and another round of snow showers moves in at 4 o'clock. So at least it's giving us a little break, so it's not like snowing all day. But here's 4 o'clock and another round. But by the time you get to 8 o'clock, Lansing and Mason is still seeing snow showers in our neighborhoods far over to the west there. But a lot of us are dry at that time, just seeing some cloudy conditions. And then it continues to become more and more isolated as the night progresses. And then for Monday and Tuesday, we're just looking at some chances for some isolated snow showers. Most of our neighborhoods will get through that day, those days dry. But Wednesday night into Thursday, we're looking at some more snow showers to move into our neighborhood. So I want to get that on your radar now. The next big conversation for this week of concern is going to be the cold temperatures. Because we have a long cold week ahead of us as this Arctic air sticks around. So there's a risk for frostbite. So it's going to be moderate at times, but high risk at times. And here are feels like temperatures. These aren't actual temperatures, but here's the feels like temperatures. And you can see feeling like -6 on Monday. So yes, bundle yourself up nicely as you're out there. For today, we're going to see a high of 26 degrees. We've got the snow heaviest this morning with winds out of the north at 18 miles an hour, but gusting in the 30s today. Tonight, we'll see an overnight low of 12 degrees, mostly cloudy, winds out of the northwest at 17 miles an hour. Tomorrow, just a high of 14 degrees and mostly cloudy conditions. And then teens for the next few days is going to be our high temperatures. We have a cold week ahead of us, as you can see. By Friday, the temperature starts to rebound just a little bit. We at least get back into the 20s, but still going to be quite cold. And then Thursday, we're looking at more chances for some snow there. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.